My name is Cowboy. There is no wait. Tôi đầu tiên rồi là này chị on thì just got mad with Tucker and said, no, show me no booty, no booty. Why not? Booty calls, my friend. Booty call. Why, JR, don't do stupid talking, aka white boy. You basically talking a very good boy. But everybody understand I'm a good boy. I'm a cool guy boy. Hey buddy, where are you at? Where's Tiger Bird? Where's Tiger Bird? Where is that man with the limb? Tucker Bird. Where she are? He's in Orlando doing drugs on a truck stop. That lucky guy. Traveling all day, kissing all day, rapping all night. He goes back to the truck stop. Hey, there's a teddy bear right behind me. Whoa, cowboy. Bear, so cutie like me. Tucker, Tucker, pizza try to travel with one. My buddy and friend. And Tucker is, yeah, trucking, walking by faith, traveling, dragging blocks, lady farm, the bunch of farms. And sorry, sorry, my home. Oh, God. Well, nobody sounded alive. Oh, there's one light, but nobody watching. Hey, Tucker, you my best friend. You got came here. Baby say hi to me. Oh, we got five people watching. Yeah, and one like. That's awesome, people. I'm here in my own house. I know you're, I know they're like you're watching. You're an awesome guy. Welcome to the channel. We can do some traveling, some puppet shows, some fishing public. If I like jazz, a little bit, but it's kind of cool. You like jazz, Jackson gaming? Oh my god, we got like 2 likes and 13 people watching. All I done is, Dallas, Texas. Let me guess where you're from, the Dallas, from Texas. Ah, oh my god, Diana Hansen, how you doing? Oh my god, I got a like this, so you got a heart. That's so awesome. Diana says hi. Diana Hansen, hello, how you doing? No, don't get here. No, get here. Why, Dennis, you gay? Are you gay, Dennis?